create a no text logo, open the photo editing software PicArt. After the opening this software, choose the background color. You can also choose the multiple background color and your own created background pick. In this case, we use the white background. After choosing background, go in the section of go in the 1 minute. Go in the section of text. 1 minute. Yeah. Go in the option of text, and you can also go in draw option. Then you can choose a color. We not first go in a draw section, back. 1 minute. Yeah, first go in draw section, then choose a box. You can choose other color of box. In this case we choose dark red color of box. Then adjust its position. After adjust its position, now you can add text there. In this case we add the text like T, no, C, G, yeah, G okay, but S okay, no, but text adding is not working at a time in this condition, so we further 1 minute, no, nothing, save it, press ok and save it. Then go in the text section and add text like G, yeah, G. Then press ok button. Yeah that's good design. No, that's not good, not good. So we can adjust its word position in our logo. You can also use this type of the and various thinking about this and create logo look like this and look like this, look like this kite logo. That's great logo, but in this case we can't use these type of the logo. In this case we gonna use text logo, so I mean word used in this, not only the, so G use and adjust its position. Then choose the font. Various font are available. In this case we going to use font like Orbital G, no sorry, Orbitron Black. Yeah, that's good. Adjust its position, then press ok. Yeah, firstly then you can change also text color. In this case we're going to change like pink. Yeah, pink. Yeah, that's good. Pink is good. Not is good. Pink also good. Yeah, that's. Then press OK. After these steps, we gonna do draw option. Then choose a box and fill it. Choose color. Which color in this box? The yeah, red color. Choose in this case. Now designing it's but it's not, these designing are not suit on this logo, so we change design, not it's not suit on that, so remove by pressing back. Remove when 1 minute I check that which in the designing of a logo your imagination is also used on your design. If you imagine a good logo design, then you can create a good logo. If you can't imagine, then you can't create a beautiful logo. Then finally we choose the what changes we're gonna do, and these changes we're gonna do. uh, Finally, the final step of this logo design, we're gonna do small cut on upper and lower side. So 1 minute, yeah, in upper side that's great, and 1 minute the upper side will, the lower side, that's great. Not in the middle side, remove it 1 minute, and in the middle side, that's remove it, and then we create, yeah, in middle side create a like, and similarly upper side we're going to add. After adding of these things, our logo will going to look like a professional logo. You can also add the various type of the text on this logo. Then your business name similar than C, G, and other these related to alphabet. Then we use it. At a time we just finally our logo going to finishing. In the final step, first 1 minute we're going to check what we can change in the next step. No, yeah, we can also add other text look like no, text is not a good thing to add. You can also add your own text. In this case we're going to try adding of a text if this text suit on our logo, then we want, that's great. But if you can't, this text can't suit on our logo, then we can't use this. Then you want to create a logo using your smartphone, then you can also add text on various. In this condition, no text adding, that's in the middle the text like, but in these logo design the text point are not available to adding the text, but we can change and add the text in the next tutorial. We want to learn about other fundamentals of logo designing. This tutorial finishing at this time, and practice it, learn, and just go and learn everything related to logo design, and your practice are increasing your skill of logo design. In this logo designing, your mind, your thinking, and your knowledge also used for these type of the logo design. So just create and practice logo design. Thank you.